Ellipse at Twilight, a nature video poem. A special presentation written and recited by Ken Allen Dronsfield. Enjoy. At sunrise, the heron soars effortlessly upon the breeze. Waves roll in crashing upon the rocks and beaches. Rising tides reach high upon the sands, then fade away. The sun breaks through my window and kisses my cheek. Round and round the great circle of life travels, much like a whirlpool of bubbles in a small woodland stream. Day turns to night, night to morn, as clouds migrate on their way. The misty morning rings the bell, and deathbeds overflow. Just because you're breathing doesn't mean you're alive. Into autumn's burnt ashes and all the saddened masses, it was winter's chill when my spirit lifted, eyes wide shut, from a dead frozen shard, and my soul was forever freed. At sunset, the heron soars effortlessly into a colorful twilight. The waves now whisper to the rocks and sandy beaches. Great tides fall slowly as the full moon rises in a pink sky. A lullaby rocks me to sleep. The ellipse kisses my cheek.